Okay, Elaine and I came here 8 days ago on a Sunday on my birthday. We came back to Bob and Karen's here in Coopville, Washington, with one specific purpose in mind: to help them get their John Deere 830B tractor running again. It's sitting at the bottom of the hill for 18 months or more, not running. It seemed to be starved for fuel. They threw a lot of money and parts at it, and I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos about starting these old machines, and it suddenly occurred to me a few days ago that maybe the shutdown solenoid was not opening when the key was turned on, and we're about to find out if I was right. I'll turn it on, set the throttle set, and we're going to see if it starts.